Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Substitoad is probably one of the most versatile and powerful cards in the Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG, offering unique strategic advantages that can turn the tide of any duel, making it a must-have for serious collectors and competitive players alike. Number 5. Yu-Gi-Oh! Borreload eXcharge Dragon Rira EN039 Ultra Rare First Edition. Prepare for an epic addition to your collection. This ultra-rare, first edition card is a must-have for any serious duelist. Introducing the formidable Borreload eXcharge Dragon. Its power on the field is undeniable. Pulled from the highly sought-after Rising Rampage set, this card brings new strategies to your gameplay. Experience the thrill of owning an ultra-rare. Its stunning holographic finish makes it a prized possession. This is a first edition, ensuring its place as a rare and valuable collectible. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity. The card identifier Rira EN039 signifies its specific rarity and set. Secure this piece of Yu-Gi-Oh! History today. What we like. This card boasts incredible offensive capabilities and can disrupt your opponent's plays. If you're looking to dominate the field with raw power and control the game, this is your go-to monster. It's perfect for aggressive strategies that aim to overwhelm the opponent quickly. What people say. The Substitoad card is a crucial component for many competitive Yu-Gi-Oh! decks, allowing for quick and efficient summoning of powerful monsters. Its effect to special summon a monster from the hand by sending a Substitoad from the deck to the graveyard is a game-changing strategy for swarm tactics. This card's unique ability to bypass normal summoning conditions makes it highly versatile in various combo-oriented playstyles. Number 4. Yu-Gi-Oh! Ultimaya Tzolkin Super Rare. Prepare for an epic encounter with the Yu-Gi-Oh! Ultimaya Tzolkin, a super rare card from the Clash of Rebellion Special Edition. This limited edition collectible is a must-have for any serious duelist. While it cannot be synchro summoned, its presence on the field is undeniable. This card brings a unique strategic element to your duels, offering unparalleled power. As a limited edition, this super rare version of Ultimaya Tzolkin is a true gem for collectors. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of Yu-Gi-Oh! History. This special edition card hails from the highly sought-after Clash of Rebellion set. Enhance your deck with this powerful addition and dominate your opponents. The special edition packaging makes this even more desirable. Secure this incredible card and elevate your Yu-Gi-Oh! dueling experience to new heights. What we like. This card is a powerful enabler for summoning your strongest monsters. If you enjoy building elaborate boards and unleashing devastating boss monsters, you should consider this. It's ideal for combo-focused decks that aim for a game-ending turn. What people say. This card is a powerful addition to any frog-themed deck, allowing for quick special summons and disruption. The artwork on the card is detailed and captures the essence of the Toad monster effectively. Number 3. Dragonroid Borreload EN011 Secret Rare First Edition. Discover the power of this rare collectible. It's a first edition, making it a unique addition to any collection. This is the highly sought-after secret rare version. Its rarity adds significant value and prestige. As a first edition, it represents an early print run. This is a must-have for serious collectors. This specific card, Borreload EN011, is a standout piece. Its design and rarity are truly exceptional. Elevate your collection with this impressive item. Its condition and edition make it a prime choice. What we like. This monster offers a unique way to bring out powerful threats onto the field. If you like to surprise your opponent with unexpected plays and maintain a strong board presence, this card is a great addition. It's particularly useful for decks that can consistently meet its summoning conditions. What people say. The Substitoad monster card is a crucial component for many competitive Yu-Gi-Oh! decks, allowing for quick access to powerful amphibian monsters. Its ability to special summon another Substitoad from the hand or deck makes it a highly versatile card for combo-oriented strategies. This card's effect is essential for setting up field presence and executing game-winning plays in the Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG. Number 2. Yu-Gi-Oh! Elphase Figa EN045 Super Rare First Edition. Discover the Elphase, a super rare first edition card from Fists of the Gadgets. This highly sought-after collectible is a must-have for any serious duelist. Part of the Fists of the Gadget set, this card, with its Figa EN045 designation, is a key piece for completing your collection. Its rarity makes it a valuable addition. As a first edition print, this card boasts superior collectability and potential value. It represents a pristine piece of Yu-Gi-Oh! History. Experience the thrill of owning a super rare card. Its distinctive holographic finish and limited availability set it apart from common cards. Elevate your dueling strategy with the Elphase. Its unique abilities and powerful presence on the field can turn the tide of any duel. This card hails from the Fists of the Gadgets expansion, a set known for introducing powerful new monsters and strategies. Add this iconic card to your arsenal. What we like. This card excels at searching for key pieces and extending your combos. If you're building a combo-heavy deck that relies on specific cards, this is an excellent choice. It helps you access your combo starters and extend your plays more consistently. What people say. The card's effect is incredibly powerful, allowing for quick setup and disruption. It's a staple in many competitive decks due to its versatility and strong synergy with other cards. The artwork on the card is also quite striking and well detailed. Number 1. Yu-Gi-Oh! Kaiki the Unity Star BLRR EN038 Ultra Rare First Edition. Discover the Kaiki the Unity Star, a rare and powerful addition to your collection. This ultra-rare first edition card is a must-have for any serious duelist. From the Battles of Legend, Relentless Revenge set, this card boasts incredible artwork and strategic potential. Its first edition status makes it even more valuable. With its ultra-rare finish, Kaiki the Unity Star stands out. Enhance your deck and prepare to overwhelm your opponents with its unique abilities. This specific card, BLRR EN038, is a highly sought-after piece for collectors. Its pristine condition and rarity are undeniable. Add this iconic monster to your arsenal. It's more than just a card, it's a statement of your dedication to the game. What we like. This monster provides excellent support for fusion strategies and can bring back fallen allies. If you enjoy fusion summoning and want a way to maintain your resources on the field, this card is a must-have. It's perfect for decks that utilize fusion monsters and want to keep their graveyard active. What people say. The card's artwork is incredibly detailed and captures the essence of the monster. This card offers a unique strategic advantage with its powerful effect that can disrupt opponents' plays. The card's condition was pristine upon arrival, exactly as described. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.